How to change the name on REDnote application. Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. If you want to change the name on REDnote application, so how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. First thing first, you need to open the REDnote application and you will see an interface like this. From here, you need to choose your profile, which is right at the bottom if you're using an Android phone. So you need to tap on the Me option. Once you tap on that, it will bring you to your profile. All you need to do is to tap on the profile here. Once you tap on your profile, the first thing that you will see is your name. So once you created an account, you will find out that your name is some Chinese alphabets and then some digits. So if you want to change it, just tap on here. And you can only change your name once in 7 days. So keep that in mind. After changing your name, you cannot change it in the next hour or the next day. You have to wait for 7 days. So you need to choose a good username, which will be shown to the people, to the other user on REDnote. So all you need to do is to tap here. You can delete the previous one and now you can add a new name. So guys, as you can see, I choose a new name and then all you need to do is to tap on the save option. So you need to tap on the save. And now, as you can see, my name has been changed. So guys, this is all it takes to change your name on REDnote application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.